Hello and welcome. Today, we're looking into a powerful concept that has the potential to change your financial future: the immense power of faith. Faith isn't just about belief, it's about trusting in your ability to create your reality. When you harness the power of faith and align it with your desires, incredible wealth and abundance can become a reality. In this video, we'll explore how you can use your faith to unlock wealth and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Let's get started. Faith is the cornerstone of any manifestation process. It's the belief in something that has not yet materialized but trusting that it will. When you hold a vision in your mind and believe it to be true, regardless of external circumstances, you're setting the stage for it to manifest. Faith is the energetic force that propels you toward your goals, and it starts with a simple thought: I believe I can. When it comes to wealth, faith operates as a magnet. It attracts opportunities, people, and circumstances that are aligned with your financial goals. If you doubt your ability to manifest wealth, the universe responds by offering limited opportunities. On the other hand, when you believe in the possibility of achieving great wealth, everything around you begins to shift in your favor. This is why having a strong sense of faith is crucial for attracting the financial abundance you seek. Believing that you can manifest wealth is just the beginning. The real power of faith comes from trusting the process, knowing that the universe is working on your behalf, even when you can't see the results immediately. Trusting the process means being patient and allowing your desires to unfold naturally. The key to unlocking incredible wealth through faith is to not get discouraged by temporary setbacks or obstacles. Instead, accept the understanding that every experience is a part of your journey toward financial success. Trust that you are being guided, and stay consistent in your faith. The more you trust the process, the quicker your wealth will begin to materialize, because you're no longer resisting or doubting its arrival. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifesting wealth. When you vividly imagine yourself living a life of abundance, you are actively programming your mind to accept that reality. Visualization combined with faith strengthens your belief that wealth is inevitable. By regularly visualizing the lifestyle you desire, whether it's a beautiful home, a successful business, or the freedom to travel, you begin to feel as though these things are already yours. Make your visualizations as detailed as possible. Picture yourself walking through your dream house or seeing your bank account grow. The more you immerse yourself in these visualizations, the stronger your faith becomes in their manifestation. Faith in your ability to create wealth grows exponentially when you allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with your success. That sense of accomplishment, joy, and freedom becomes the driving force that propels you toward manifesting wealth. Affirmations are another crucial practice in using your faith to unlock incredible wealth. Repeating statements such as, "I am a magnet for abundance," or "wealth flows to me effortlessly," can transform your mindset. The power of these affirmations lies in their ability to reprogram your subconscious mind. The more you affirm your financial success, the more you align your thoughts and energy with wealth. Incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. Speak them out loud in front of the mirror, write them down, or repeat them silently throughout the day. The key is to believe the affirmation as if it's already true. When you feel the truth of these statements, your faith will grow, and the universe will begin to respond by sending you opportunities and circumstances that reflect your new mindset. To unlock incredible wealth, you must release any limiting beliefs you hold about money and success. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or even fears of not being deserving of abundance. Recognize these limiting beliefs as blocks to your financial success and consciously choose to let them go. Letting go of scarcity thinking and accepting an abundance mindset is essential for manifesting wealth. Trust in the infinite nature of the universe, and understand that there is more than enough prosperity to go around. The moment you free yourself from these limitations, you open the door to the wealth that's waiting for you. With faith, you no longer view money as scarce. Instead, you see it as abundant, flowing freely into your life. Faith and belief are powerful, but they must be paired with inspired action. Taking action doesn't mean forcing things to happen, it's about responding to the opportunities that arise with confidence and enthusiasm. When you have faith in the universe, you'll begin to recognize opportunities that align with your desires. This might mean investing in yourself, learning new skills, or taking calculated risks. Trust that when you act with faith, you will be guided in the right direction. You don't have to know every step, but taking inspired action shows the universe that you are serious about your desires. The more you act in alignment with your beliefs, the more the universe will support you with the resources you need to manifest incredible wealth. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions when it comes to attracting wealth. When you express gratitude for the abundance you already have, you open the floodgates for more wealth to flow into your life. Take time each day to express thankfulness for everything you currently have, whether it's your job, your health, or your relationships. This creates an energy of abundance and attracts even more prosperity. Gratitude is also a way of affirming that you are worthy of wealth. The more you express gratitude for your life, the more you align yourself with the abundance that is already around you. This mindset shift will make it easier for you to receive the wealth you deserve, as you start to recognize the unlimited opportunities the universe has to offer. One of the most important shifts you can make when using faith to manifest wealth is to act as if you are already wealthy. This doesn't mean spending beyond your means, but it does mean cultivating the mindset of abundance. Feel wealthy now. Live in alignment with the belief that you are deserving of financial success, and you'll notice how quickly your circumstances begin to change. When you trust that you are already wealthy, your faith in the process becomes unshakable. You'll find that the universe responds by sending you new opportunities, increasing your income, and helping you achieve your financial goals. You have the power to create the wealth you desire, simply by believing you already possess it. Your subconscious mind is the key to unlocking your potential. By reprogramming it to believe in your ability to create wealth, you lay the foundation for your success. This can be done through daily affirmations, visualization, and gratitude practices. Each of these tools works to shift the subconscious mind from a state of lack to a state of abundance. The more you feed your mind with positive thoughts and beliefs about wealth, the more aligned you become with your desires. Your subconscious mind will start to attract opportunities that are in harmony with your financial goals, and you'll be amazed at how easily wealth begins to flow into your life. Manifesting wealth through faith is not just about thinking and visualizing, it also requires you to take practical steps toward your financial goals. Align your actions with your beliefs and take steps each day toward building the wealth you desire. Whether it's improving your skills, seeking new business opportunities, or networking with people who can help you grow, taking consistent action is the key to success. Trust that the universe will support you when you align your actions with your intentions. The more you act in harmony with your financial goals, the quicker wealth will come to you. By staying committed to your beliefs and taking inspired action, you'll see incredible results. Your faith is a powerful tool that can unlock incredible wealth in your life. By believing in your ability to manifest, trusting the process, and taking inspired action, you set the stage for abundance to flow into your life. Keep in mind that you have the power to command your reality and create the wealth you desire. By consistently working on your faith and aligning your actions with your desires, you will find that wealth and abundance are within your reach. Trust the process, stay patient, and know that the universe is always supporting you. You hold the key to unlocking the wealth and success you've always dreamed of. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.